Hi, in this video we want to compare a standard toolbar with a sidebar interface. So this is standard toolbar, you can see here, and this is sidebar. So for example, when I'm changing this text, I want to bold. You can see on the right also we have this button. So when I want to italic this, you can see on the right it's also italic. So we have a duplicate here. We have highlight here in the toolbar, we have highlight on the right. So in order to eliminate this, we have another interface named sidebar. And in this episode we want to see what this version offers to you. So as you can see, we have duplicate icons here and in the sidebar. These tools are tools that are already in the top. So if you like this sidebar and also don't want this toolbar here, you have another option to choose from View, User Interface, and you have to choose Sidebar. You can see this toolbar was removed, was simplified, and you have this on the right. And if I want to change the text, it's very easy from that sidebar. And also we have some instruments here in the bottom. You can see, for example, if I'm clicking outside the table, I have no toolbar in the bottom. Here I have on the right the sidebar. Yes. For example, I want this to be red highlighted. Okay, I'm done. If I click in the table, I have in the bottom a new toolbar, is helping me in making some decision like inserting columns, deleting columns, rows, and so on. So in this case I have sidebar toolbar, and I have this in the bottom we have this toolbar, very useful when I'm working with table. In the standard toolbar, if I'm clicking the table, I don't have that toolbar, so I have to right click, insert a column, and also delete a column. So depending on of what you want, you have options to use this standard or this sidebar view. So for many of you could be very useful to have this sidebar here and also toolbar, depending of the context of your working. It's very easy to change from one to another, from view, user interface. In the next episode we will talk about the next options, tabbed, group bar, compact, and so on. Please watch the other video I made and also the next episodes about LibreOffice. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.